This will be setup of the Tapo C660 kit pan tilt camera. First things first, you're going to want to open up your Tapo app, and then the camera right here. Pull this little flap, and then there's a power button that we have to depress.
Camera on.
Camera on, red light flashing right there, red and green. So coming back to the application, we're going to press the plus sign once it acclimates itself. So it's a good idea to make sure you're holding this. And I'm going to also say it's probably a good idea to push this back into place just to be safe in case that moved on us, but it didn't. So we should be good to go. We're going to come into the Tapo app, press the plus sign, add a device. This is an outdoor camera. Here we go. Tapo C660. Keep in mind you can do a search because there are a lot of things to look for with Tapo now. 660, we do see that is flashing. We're going to hit next. Oh, and it's going to connect over Bluetooth, which is a nicer pairing method than having to do Wi-Fi. So we'll give that a moment to do its thing. Light is flashing. It says it's found it. Now it's searching for a Wi-Fi network, and it has located my IoT network. Tapo, good on you so far. That's blanked out. Tapo, not so much blanking out stuff, but it is showing your Wi-Fi network to confirm. I hit confirm. We're going to let it do its thing now.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Saying connecting to Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
And now it's paired. That was reasonably painless. And where will this be located? This is just so that it can group your cameras. You can select an icon for it, and setup's complete. You can do a free trial for their cloud storage. It's not necessary, so I'm going to dismiss. Can let me think about it later. Oh, no, got it. Leave me alone. And it says insert a micro SD card. Got it. Firmware upgrade time. Just gonna do that off cycle. And there you can see, it's done.